Hey there, future millionaires. Are you ready to dive into a goldmine of side hustles that could pocket you a cool $900 or more every single day? And you heard that right. We're not just scraping the surface, we're gonna dive deep into the treasure trove of opportunities that are right under your nose. So often these are overlooked, but with a bit of determination, you could transform your financial landscape. Now I'm about to reveal 4 groundbreaking side hustles for 2024 that are so simple, yet so ingenious, you'll wonder why you didn't start yesterday. From turning grime into gold, almost literally, to mastering the art of online sales without being an artist, we've got you covered. And the best part, you don't need a pile of cash or a PhD to get started. Just choose your path, roll up your sleeves, and get ready to hustle your way to the top. So if you're ready to unlock these hidden gems and watch your bank account soar, smash the like button and drop a hell yes down below in the comments. First, let's kick things off with a side hustle that's not just easy to start, but also incredibly lucrative. This is trash can cleaning services. Picture this, every household has trash cans, right? And what's one thing they all have in common? They get dirty, stinky, and let's face it, they're a breeding ground for all sorts of unwelcome critters. But here's where you come in, like a superhero with a pressure washer. We can call you Pressure Washer Man. Starting this business is an absolute breeze, and you don't need a mountain of cash to get going. First, you'll need a pressure washer, and guess what? You don't have to break the bank for it. A simple used pressure washer off Facebook Marketplace will do the trick. Just make sure that it has a soap attachment. This is crucial for blasting away that nasty gunk. Speaking of soap, you've got options. Go economical with a hardware store solution, or DIY it with some good old Dawn dish soap diluted in water. You can even get creative with a cheaper sprayer to coat those bins in a soapy goodness before you unleash the power of your pressure washer. Now you've got the tools, but how do you find the bins that are screaming for a clean? You get the word out using your phone. Tap into the power of local Facebook groups, Craigslist, and Nextdoor. These platforms are gold mines for free advertising. But the real game changer is offline, door hanging flyers. You can snatch these up for pennies on the dollar, and they're your ticket to getting noticed. Just imagine, for around $100, you can have 2,000 flyers ready to pave your way to profit. Your pricing? Well, here's where it gets exciting. You can charge around $65 for a one-time cleaning and about $35 for monthly gigs. Add a little extra for each additional can and you're on your way to making serious cash. Let's do some quick math. You clean 4 cans per hour, work for 8 hours, and you could be raking in over $1,000 in a single day. That's right, cleaning trash cans could make you more money in a day than some people make in a week. If you start the side hustle and it takes off, drop a comment down below. I'd love to feature your success story in a future video showing the world how you turn trash into treasure. So, are you ready to turn a dirty job into clean profits? Grab that pressure washer, get those flyers out, and start your journey to becoming a trash cleaning tycoon. Now, this next side hustle doesn't just make money, it prints it. And this side hustle is selling print-on-demand artwork on Etsy. This is where your inner artist meets entrepreneur and the canvas is your playground. First up, let's bust a myth. You don't need to be the next Picasso to splash into the art world. With AI tools like Midjourney and print-on-demand services like Printify, you can turn even the simplest designs into stunning artwork that flies off the virtual shelves. In fact, I talked about this in one of my last videos where I went through AI side hustles. So if you want more details on that, go ahead and watch that video and learn more. But now I'm sure you're asking, how do you start? Begin by creating your masterpieces. And here's a pro tip. Think outside of the paint box. You don't need intricate paintings. Instead, tap into the power of words and pop culture. Picture this, motivational quotes that ignite a spark in someone's day, or an iconic pop culture reference that brings a smile to people's faces. You can even explore the realm of public domain artwork for inspiration. Need a design nudge? Head over to Midjourney or Leonardo.ai and take a look at what's trending and featured. Then just go ahead and jazz them up. The beauty of this hustle is that your creativity is the star. Once your designs are ready, it's showtime on Etsy. Connect your Printify account and voila, you're in business. Every time someone buys your artwork, Printify handles the printing, the shipping, and the logistics. Your job? Just to sit on the couch in your underpants and keep those creative juices flowing while watching your bank account soar. Now let's talk earnings. This isn't just pocket money we're talking about. This is real, potentially life-changing income. With the right designs and a bit of marketing savvy, you could be looking at a fully fledged business that not only fills your wallet, but employs a team to handle the dirty work. And remember, the Etsy world is your oyster. Don't be afraid to deep dive into the sea of possibilities. Test different designs, play with trends, and always keep an eye on what makes your heart beat faster. That's where the real magic happens. If you're ready to unleash your inner artist and entrepreneur, but need a guide on navigating the Etsy seas, drop a comment and I might just make a dedicated video to help you launch your art empire. How many times have you hit the record button on your phone, but not really gotten anything out of it but a cute video of your dog being a weirdo? Let's go ahead and turn those button taps into dollars by creating Amazon product review videos. This is where you can turn your opinions into cash. And I'm not just talking about chump change here. Every time you shop on Amazon, you see products with reviews, right? But have you noticed how few products have video reviews? That is your golden ticket. These videos are more than just helpful insights for buyers. They're a goldmine for savvy hustlers just like you. Here's the scoop. When someone watches your video review and then buys the product, you get a commission. And you heard that right. Just by sharing your thoughts on a product, you can earn a slice of the profit pie. And with Amazon's massive audience, we're talking some serious dough without having to do any type of traffic push. So how do you get started? It's ridiculously easy. First, just pick a product. The best place to start is with stuff you already have at home that you bought on Amazon. Next, go ahead and create a genuine, informative video review and just keep it real. People love the authenticity. You don't need a fancy camera setup for this at all. Just your smartphone and your product. Just ensure you're clear, concise, and showcase the product well. Now let's turn that video you just recorded into cash. To do that, sign up for the Amazon Associates program to become an official affiliate. Then upload your video review and link it with the product you just reviewed. Every time someone watches that video and makes a purchase, you earn commission. But wait, it gets better. Imagine the product you reviewed is a hot seller or a Black Friday featured product. Thousands, maybe hundreds of thousands of people are buying it. And if even a fraction of those buyers watch your review to learn more, we're talking about a serious influx of cash. This side hustle is all about playing that numbers game. Now here's a little cheeky tip. If you only have so many products that you've purchased on Amazon, take a look at products that are listed on Amazon, but you didn't purchase from Amazon. Amazon sells everything under the sun. Chances are you have products that didn't come from Amazon, but are still listed there. And even if you've run out, call your friends and family and ask them if you can search around their house for products that are on Amazon that you can review. In a world that's ruled by Amazon delivery, where video content is king, this side hustle is the most no-brainer out there. It's simple, it's flexible, and it's potentially extremely profitable. So grab your phone, start reviewing, and watch as your bank account grows one video at a time. Now let's shift gears to a side hustle that's like finding a treasure map to hidden profits. Reselling AliExpress products on Etsy and Amazon. This isn't just a side hustle, it's a launch pad to your own e-commerce empire without you having to drive a single visitor yourself. First, let's set the stage. Imagine buying products for pennies and flipping them for hefty sums. That sounds like a dream, right? Or some type of Gary Vee video. But it's not just possible, it's incredibly doable. I'm going to show you how you can turn this dream into a reality. To start your adventure, let's go to AliExpress. AliExpress is an online marketplace where you can find products at incredibly low prices. We're talking about items that you can buy for a few dollars and sell for 10 times that amount. Now the key here is to find products that are not just cheap, but also have high perceived value and demand. Think about trendy gadgets, unique home decor, or even stylish accessories. Once you've got your golden product, it's time to set up your shop. You can choose Etsy, Amazon, or even Facebook Marketplace. But realistically, why not all three? Each platform has its unique audience, and tapping into all three can maximize your reach. Now here's where the magic happens. You list these products at a marked up price, and that's it. Pretty straightforward, right? But how do you make your product stand out in the sea of online offerings? Here's where a little bit of homework goes a long way. Deep dive into product research. Look for what's trending, what's in demand, and what's getting rave reviews. Tools like Google Trends can be your best friend here. It'll help giving you a sneak peek into what's hot and what's not. Once you've zeroed in on your product, it's time for the grand opening of your online store. Put on your marketing hat and create irresistible product listings. Use high quality images, craft compelling descriptions, and optimize your listings for search engines. Remember, in the online world, presentation is key. And here's a pro tip. Start small. Test the waters with a few products, gauge the response, and then scale it up. This way, you minimize risk and learn the ropes as you go. The best part, once you get the hang of it, the sky is the limit. You could be sitting on a gold mine of products, each bringing in a steady stream of income. That's all for this video. Smash the subscribe button.